In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add subscribe button on your videos using InShot. So at the end of the day, I'll show you how I was able to add this subscribe button that you can see on my video here. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. Alright, so I have here a video and the first thing I need to do is to go ahead and add another timeline where I'll add a short video with the subscribe button. To do so, it is quite simple. First, identify where you want to add your subscribe button, and I like mine to begin from here. And then go ahead and tap on PNP on the timeline. If you can't see it, just move this bar until you see this option called PNP. If you tap on it, it will go ahead and take you to your gallery. Choose the subscribe video and mine is here. However, if I go ahead and play it, you can see it has the green screen. So the next thing I need to do is to go ahead and remove the green screen before I can apply this video here. And I can also go ahead and adjust it so that it aligns with my video and it will begin here. Now that I have added the video, before I go ahead and remove the green screen, the first thing I'll do, I'll go ahead and adjust it or move it to where I like it to be located. For this, I'll just move this right here. That's where I want the subscribe button to appear, and then I'll adjust it by making it cover the larger part of this section. So I'll drag this like that and then move it at the center just like that, and here we go. Now the next thing is to remove the green screen. To remove the green screen, it is quite simple. Head over again to this bar and scroll until you see this option called cut out. Go ahead and tap on it. And from this, look for this option called chroma. So once you find chroma, go ahead and tap on chroma here. And here we go. Now we have this wheel that has been added. Now that we have this wheel that has been added, go ahead and tap on it. And then move it around like that. And then you can see the green color has disappeared. Now you may want to go ahead and refine it by increasing the length. So like sometimes to go ahead and increase this length so as to make it more clear. And then also you may want to remove the shadow that is around the subscribe button, around it here. If you want to remove that green color that still appears, the shadow, go ahead and adjust this as you so wish until you find a clear visibility of your subscribe button. Once you are done, go ahead and tap on this OK, and here we go, it is done. Now let's go ahead and play the whole video and see how that works out. So I'll go ahead and play the whole video and look at that. Great, our subscribe button has been added successfully. So that's how you add subscribe button on your videos on InShot. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.